In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Notion with Google Calendar, a step-by-step guide that you can master in just a few minutes. First, you'll want to start by opening up Notion. If this is your first time, Notion is a powerful workspace tool that can help you manage your projects, take notes, and even keep track of your calendar events. So go ahead and navigate to your connected workspace within Notion, where you have all your wikis, docs, and projects organized. Once you've arrived there, the next thing you'll need to do is log in to your Notion account. If you're not already logged in, just click on the Login button found at the top right corner of the page. Make sure you enter your credentials accurately to gain access to all your Notion features. After logging in, you should be directed to the Notion home. This is a familiar dashboard if you've been using Notion for a while, but if you're new, don't worry. It's quite intuitive. Your Notion home is essentially the starting point of all your organizational and scheduling needs. Now, once you're at home on your Notion page, look through your collection of pages and select the one where you'd like to integrate your Google Calendar. Just click on your desired page to open it. It's this page that will host your embedded Google Calendar, so take a moment to decide which would be most beneficial for your planning and scheduling processes. With your chosen page open, you will need to utilize Notion's embedding feature. In the new block anywhere on your page, type in embed. This command essentially prepares Notion to accept external content, and in this case, we will be embedding your Google Calendar. Now, you might be wondering how you actually get your Google Calendar's HTML link. Well, head over to your Google Calendar, navigate to the settings, and there you will find options to make your calendar public. By doing so, Google Calendar provides you an HTML link that can be shared or embedded in different platforms. Remember, make sure you're comfortable with the privacy settings before making a calendar public. Once you've obtained your calendar's HTML link, return to Notion and paste this link into the embed field you opened earlier. By doing so, you enable your Google Calendar to be displayed right there within your Notion page. This means no more switching back and forth between windows to keep track of your tasks and daily events. Incorporating your Google Calendar into Notion not only streamlines your workflow, but also enhances your productivity by keeping all your essential data in one place. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to sync Notion with Google Calendar. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for integrating your scheduling needs.